Increase your phone's speaker's volume by 100% with just 2 steps. Press volume button. Tap on 3 dots at the volume indicator, then tap his settings. Now tap the 3 dots on the right and go to the media volume limit. Enable this setting and move the slider to the right. Now we continue with second step. Open TikTok and go to the search bar and type speaker cleaner. Choose this video with 1000 to 183 Hz and turn on the volume until this video ends. After that, make sure you restart your phone, and the sound on your phone will come much louder.